What if I told you genius isn't born? It's trained. Not IQ, not genetics, just habits your brain was never taught. And once you learn them, you'll never see your mind the same way again. Here's the first truth. Geniuses don't think harder than you. They think differently. And it starts with one habit: asking questions no one else asks. Most people look at a tree and see a tree. Einstein looked and asked, why does an apple fall down and not up? Da Vinci asked, how do birds stay in the air? You see, your brain is like a search engine. The quality of your answers depends on the quality of your questions. But here's the trap. School trained you to memorize, not to wonder. So your brain stopped asking. Want to fix it? Try this. Next time you see something ordinary, don't accept it. Why? How? What if? That single shift makes your brain curious again. Curiosity is the first muscle of genius. Here's the second truth. Geniuses don't chase 100 things. They obsess over one. Einstein wasn't good at everything. He was consumed by physics. Steve Jobs obsessed over design until it drove people crazy. And here's why this matters. Your brain builds neural pathways the way muscles grow in the gym. Repetition, intensity, and focus. But most people never get strong because they quit when it gets boring. That's your advantage. Find one subject, one project, one idea, and go so deep into it that people think you've lost it. That's not madness. That's how the brain rewires itself into genius mode. Here's the final truth. Geniuses steal, but not how you think. Jobs took calligraphy and mixed it with computers. Da Vinci studied anatomy and mixed it with art. Einstein borrowed math to rewrite physics. Average thinkers protect their ideas. Geniuses collide them. So here's your brain training. Read a book outside your comfort zone. Talk to someone with a totally different worldview. Take one idea from history and smash it into one from science. Your brain will spark connections you didn't know were possible. That's creativity. That's genius. So how do you train your brain like a genius? Step 1, ask questions that make the ordinary strange. Step 2, pick an obsession and stay with it long after boredom sets in. Step 3, collide ideas until sparks fly. You don't need a higher IQ. You don't need to be born gifted. You just need to train your brain differently. Because genius isn't magic. It's a choice, and the choice is yours today.